In this video, you'll learn how to easily customize your Safari browsing experience by adding your favorite pictures as the background. I'll show you exactly how to select and apply any picture seamlessly onto the Safari background, so make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open Safari and make sure you are in a new tab. After that, tap the Edit button over here. And then scroll down to the bottom, you'll see an option called Background Image. To enable it, just tap on the switch next to Background Image. And then scroll down to the bottom, and you can select any of these pictures to be set as your Safari background. If you want to select a picture from your camera roll, tap the plus button, and then tap and select the picture. Once you've selected your background, tap the X button at the top right corner of the screen. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.